Hey everyone. Where are we at today, Kev?
Where are we?
Gasparilla Island. We're on Gasparilla Island on the west coast of Florida. Let's go.
Let's go.
We're gonna roller skate. Kev is gonna lead the way and I will film him. Hello. So off we go. We are at the one of the public beach areas on Gasparilla Island. The parking lot, parking's free. It's $6 to come over the toll bridge from the mainland. Woo! Breaking in those new tow stops, Kev. I see that. Yeah. So yeah, we like to skate this island because there's a lot of really smooth concrete and asphalt surfaces, and it's pretty mellow. Like the traffic is mellow. There are cars, but the cars go pretty slow. It's a beautiful, beautiful island. And in a lot of cases you can skate down the street depending on the situation, of course, as long as you're aware of traffic around you and so forth. Yeah. So our plan is to try to skate 1 mile through the downtown of Boca Grande, which is a little town here on Gasparilla Island. It used to be a kind of a boom town, really. Very interesting. We're gonna skate about 1 mile from where we started at the public beach up there on 5th Street here. A little more than 1 mile to the Gasparilla Island Lighthouse, or that's the plan. We have had trouble with our camera cutting out and just stopping on some of these longer videos. So keeping our fingers crossed that that won't happen before we see the lighthouse. So this is an adorable little downtown area. Super, super cute. Very old Florida. I'm not sure why the town is called Boca Grande instead of, because it's spelled like Boca Grande, but that's what everyone says, all the locals, Boca Grande. It was a boom town during the railroad heyday. Before there was a bridge for automobiles to Gasparilla Island, there was railroad, Seaboard Line, that one of the famous Orange Blossom Express that brought tourists to Boca Grande and made it kind of a famous tourist town, fishing town, shipping town, being close to the port of Port Charlotte and just north of Fort Myers here on the west coast of Florida. Show us a trick, Kev. But you gotta hurry up because we want to try to make it to the lighthouse. Oh, a little heely-wheely there. That's the Boca Grande Health Clinic to the left, and we're turning right here. Ooh, there's so much you can skate here. And you know, like I say, a lot of times you just skate in the street, but they took the old railroad track and turned it into like a bike path, golf cart path. Also, you can skate on it, real nice and smooth. So this is one of our favorite places to come and skate and swim and go out to lunch at one of the nice restaurants on the island too, in Boca Grande. Are we clear? Can we go across? Clear. All right, so this is Gilchrest Avenue. More beach access there, parking. Very mellow. Ooh, wow, Kev. Oh, risky. All right. It's a very mellow place. It's just so chill and quiet. Like, we're just in the middle of the street. This actually kind of reminds me of old Fort Myers with the palm trees on either side. It's really, really beautiful here. So if you're on the west coast of Florida and you're looking for a place to visit that's beautiful, skateable, got some cool history. Ooh, carry on, my man. Yeah, back in like the, I don't know, 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, I guess. This place was a big deal for tarpon fishing, for tourism, mullet fishing, phosphate mining and shipping. So it's kind of a an important part, let's say that, of the development of this part of Florida. The lighthouse is up ahead. I think we can make it. I believe we can make it. I don't know if you can see it in the frame yet, but we're getting close. Some of these houses here on this island are just gorgeous. Just totally beautiful. And then up ahead, we have the lighthouse. The Gasparilla Island Lighthouse. One of the few lighthouses in Florida. So we'll see if we can make it before the camera gives up on us. So far, so good. Fingers crossed. Oh, nice jump, Kev. Back in the days when it was more of a fishing town, fishing island, all the working people lived on the island at that time, before there was an automobile bridge. But now the island's, you know, pretty much just like, you know, tourism, mostly not, I wouldn't say tourism so much, but mostly homes of wealthy people. You know, private luxury homes, perhaps vacation homes or primary homes, I don't know. But we're coming up to the Gasparilla Island Lighthouse up ahead. We don't have that many lighthouses in Florida. I can't really think of any that I've seen personally. Oh, the beach is right over there to my right. Yeah, I mean, I've seen lighthouse in the Keys. Can't remember the name of it. But up here on this coast of Florida, on the west coast, the Gulf Coast, haven't really seen any lighthouses. We're gonna try to skate on up to it. Can we do that? A little bumpy through here, watch it. Here's the historic Gasparilla Island Lighthouse. All right, well, this is a skatable little trail. The beach out there to my right, crossed all of these sort of seaside plants, Floridian seaside plants, beach. And here we are at the Gasparilla Island Lighthouse. Wow, really cool. It's a beautiful day. And we're still filming.
What do you think of that?
What do you think of that, Kev?
Isn't that cool?
That's really cool. Well, thanks for coming with us, y'all, on this little skate. And we'll keep trying to show you more of our area of Florida. Bye.